I feel like this is such a weird time to start vlogging. 4 p.m. on a Saturday. To be honest, I've not been doing anything during the day. I've been reading my book. And that's about it. So I thought I'd vlog the evening. You could do like a spend Saturday night with me, which usually would be me in my house watching TV, but this week we're actually doing something. So let's go out and about. Leo's already got the coat on, so he's probably starting to feel like too hot. I'll put mine on and we can head out. We're gonna go to the Battersea power station and then we're gonna see the fireworks tonight at Battersea Park, which I assume is not far from the power station, but I could be wrong.
Oh, it's like a ball.
We come to a South Korean shop and we wanted to try when you buy a cup of ice and then you pour in like one of these like liquid drink things. So that's what we're gonna do. And there's so many different flavors. Allergens are underlined and nothing's underlined, so I think it's fine. I might get pineapple.
Blue lemonade. You got the Americano.
Pineapple 8. And Leo's got blue lemonade. They've got like these vegan gyozas. Giant ball of ice.
Good.
It feels like it's not going to fit.
Good bowl.
Are you sure? I feel like my ice is all the way down to the bottom. Okay, I released the ball. It's just like pineapple juice. There's loads of tiny flies.
Don't mind, I thought mine would be too like sweetly.
I do like it, but I prefer mine.
Yeah, yours is just like pineapple.
It's gonna be gone in like a second.
Yeah, you don't get something like that.
I panicked because the snack aisle is the queue. So I got these grilled corn. I don't even know what flavour. It's grilled corn flavoured corn chip. These are pretty good. Leo's gone to get us more juice pouches because they're too small. He's already finished his in like a second. And he also got these like mangoes treats, but they're not vegan, so I can't have one. I told him to get me a berry flavour, so we'll see what he comes back with. Leo's back. He got a peach iced tea, which is already decanted before I start filming. And he got me a blueberry 8. Also, I just discovered that the crisps that I bought, they actually do contain milk, but I already hate some. Mistakes happen. It's really sweet. That's sweet, man.
Yeah, yours are nice.
We're 20 minutes early, so we're queuing. But there's 2 queues and we're a bit confused if we're in the right place. I wasn't really expecting like a fun fair. Were you?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. I knew that'd be like an element there.
I have a feeling the rest of this video is going to be very dark. Bear in mind it's only 6 p.m. right now. This will soon be a bonfire. It's so ugly. Mustard is quite strong.
This is probably the most one I've had in a little while.
Sorry, I didn't expect that.
I thought there was some like lots of match into it.
When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah.
It's raining. I feel like we were quite lucky that it wasn't raining during the fireworks, but we missed our train and now it's raining. We're home from the fireworks. It's 10:30. I really enjoyed it. I feel like it was really nice to go out. I really want to try and do more things like in London because I live in London and I just stay in my house all the time. So like once every week, at least once every week, so usually at the weekend, I want to try and do something like in London rather than just in the area that I live. So we'll see how that goes. But last weekend I went to afternoon tea in like near Tower Bridge, which I didn't vlog, but that's something I did in London. And then this week I've gone to the fireworks, so we'll see what I do next. I don't know, I haven't planned it too much, but I think if I just aim for like one trip or one activity a week, that's like basically not where I live, in a different area of London, then that's really good. I'm gonna head to bed now. I'm reading my book, Fourth Wing, which I'm doing a reading vlog for. It might already be up when this video goes up, so if it is I will link it. And yeah, so far so good, really enjoying it. I think that's everything for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's probably a short one because it was literally just like the evening, but yeah, there's a little snippet into the evening in my life on a Saturday when I did something. Make sure you subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you very soon for a new one. Another one. I'll see you very soon for another one. Bye!